Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and I've got another project for you today. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com. You'll find free sewing and crafting patterns and links to even more sewing and crafting tutorials. If you're a cruiser, I've got you covered there too. Check out my cruising resources section. You'll find cruise tips, trip reports, port and ship-specific articles, and plenty of photos. Now let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you will need a 4-inch by 6-inch piece of fabric. I'm using flannel, and a square of Velcro. Mine's a 3/4 inch square. I have these measurements on debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description right below this video. We need to first fold in one of the ends about 1/4 inch and press it. We're going to do the same with the other side. Fold it in about 1/4 inch and press it. Next up, go ahead and fold it in half. Make sure those ends stay tucked in and press it. Now we're going to use that pressed line as our midpoint while we fold the sides in. So fold one side in, press it, fold the other side in to meet that crease. Press it. Go ahead and fold the whole thing over on top of each other. Press it. Now we're going to top stitch all the way around. You can use an 1/8 inch seam allowance or 1/4 inch seam allowance. It's your call. And now it's Velcro time. Take the crunchy side of the Velcro, it's the one that's more stiff, and place it on one end of your fabric. Leave about 1/2 inch from the end and take it to your machine and go ahead and stitch the Velcro down. Then it's time to put on the other piece of Velcro. On the other end of the fabric, about 1/2 inch from the end, place your softer side of the Velcro and take it to your machine and stitch it down. Place your cord inside and you are ready to go. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stop by the blog at debsdays.com. You'll find free patterns, supply lists, and links to even more sewing and crafting tutorials. See you next time with another project.